Hi guys. Okay, a little bit calmer now. We were not expecting this at all. It's funny because I got a message on YouTube from one of my subscribers saying, "Oh, they're on sale," and that just blew me away because I was like, "What? They're on sale?" Because Andy hadn't written me and nobody had. They didn't tell me. Well, apparently it had just gone on sale. Andy didn't even know. So a few like 2 minutes later I get a message from Andy. They're on sale. Oh my god. Like he was just not expecting it. Him and his wife. So then he was like, I don't have the code ready. I'm applying for the code now. And he applied for the code. But Amazon, in their infamous ways, didn't allow the code to work until the 14th, which it's today. So Andy wrote to me back saying it'll be right after midnight on the 14th. Well, it's after midnight now on the 14th on the East Coast. Andy usually goes by West Coast time. I guess because we're closer to China. I don't know. But it's already the 14th for him, and we're just becoming the 14th. So I have a feeling if the code is not working right now, it'll be working at 3 o'clock in the morning on the East Coast. And Amazon is going by West Coast time. So, with that said, I am in the same boat as everybody else. And I know a lot of people ordered, because I could see a lot of people ordered it without the code, and saying that, they just want to get their sets, they're not waiting. There's only 400 sets in pre sale, which may sound like a lot, but really isn't, considering I had 1,000 views in the first half hour for the two messages. There were a lot of people watching this. So I wrote to Andy in a big panic. Oh my God, we're going to sell out in 5 minutes. And he told me to calm down, don't worry about it, because the pre sale of the sets are the sets that Amazon allows to be sold without having them physically in Amazon. Right now, they are physically in Andy's warehouse, signed into Amazon. So Andy rents from the Amazon people a warehouse. So the sets are sitting in the warehouse. Amazon will only allow 400 on pre-sale, and that was like when they got checked in at the warehouse. Now Amazon has to bring them over to the Amazon hub, which is why you have to wait, and that's what the pre-sale time is, them bringing it over. I got a direct message from Andy right now saying, do not worry. He sent enough. There is enough in his warehouse. If you don't get in on the pre sale, you'll be able to get them. It's just going to take another couple of days before Amazon gives the okay for his entire stock to be sold. So I'm in the same boat as you guys. I have like 11 sets that I have to purchase, and I have to purchase them one at a time. I can't order 12 because I have them going out to people all over the country. So I'm in the same boat. I can't even get sets from Andy. Andy sent everything over to the Amazon store. He sent everything he doesn't even have to send me. I don't even have a sepia pencil because the sets that I got early were the demo sets and they hadn't made sepia yet. So I have 3 sets of pencils without sepia in the set and no fancy swatching sheet that he put in. So I'm in the same boat as everybody else. I'm waiting for that midnight. I'm going to be typing in. I do know there is a lot of people with it in their carts, people waiting up. I understand this. If the 400 sets go really quick, I promise you, it's only going to be a short amount of time until Amazon gives the clear for the entire stock. So there will be a happy Christmas or a Merry Christmas for lots of people. People getting PR sets and people getting the angel sets. Now, nobody knows what the angel sets are yet. You will find out. You will get your sets. I have to order them. I have to be among the 400 people vying for the sets myself. So you know who you are. I promise you'll get your sets. Oh, the winner of I'm not going to get tomorrow's video um with the winner of this week's set, and now I have to announce the winner of the pencil set for tomorrow now, and I don't have the video already. I'm sorry about that. This was not what was expected. I was supposed to be editing tonight, not doing this. So I'm going to announce the winner without showing you the video. I promise you this will be the only time I do this. I do apologize. And the winner of today's set, because I don't want her to order them or go into a panic, it's Carol Ann Fossey, Fossie. Please contact me. Congratulations, you won one of the pencil sets. Please contact me via my email, howtoadultcolor@gmail.com, in my description box below. And just get a hold of me, and I'll make sure that you get on the list for me to get it. Again, I'm really sorry if it comes a little bit late because I gotta wait like everybody else. And I will see you guys the next update. Take care.